Oh, flatties and globe defenders, it's Critical Think from Down Under, and today I'm at Mount Coot-tha to take some photos and a video of the moon rising for the Big South experiment for Sly. So here we are at Mount Coot-tha and we've got a picture of the moon. You can just see it in the sky. I had to wait until it was visible through the haze and the light was very faint from the moon, so it was very, very hard to see until it was this high in the sky, about 40 minutes after rising. So we'll wait till the focus is correct. And you'll see it's above the University of Queensland. And we can identify some of those buildings. From the one in the middle was a School of Chemistry and Molecular Biosciences. And the building on the right, Australian Institute for Bioengineering and Nanotechnology. The Brisbane city is to the left. The time is 1500 on the 24th of July, and the moon's there. And it was almost directly above what's the Gurman Labs, Building 60 at the University of Queensland. But that can be determined from the video anyway. I'm just giving a helping hand. And so I've just gone and zoomed in a bit so that we can see that that little faint light in the sky is indeed the moon. And then the rest of this is for helping to identify landmarks. So that's the zoomed out shot. There's the moon and it's over this part here, which there is the University of Queensland. And that lab is the Australian Institute for Bioengineering and Nanotech. There's Highgate Hill, the suburb. The four poles you can see there, that's a bridge over the river, the Eleanor Chanel Bridge, Brisbane City to the left, and there's the moon. And we'll pan around a little bit to just verify this wonderful location. And that's about it for this. The moon there, and that's the direction it's in. So I took the GPS readings off the photo and it matches very closely to where I was standing. So that's the GPS reading of the photo. And I was standing right there where I've put a mark there. Maybe a couple of feet to the right of that. It's hard to tell whether this image matches exactly with the position, so I've given the exact position and then round about where it is, and this is verified by the video I took. And here's a picture of looking out in the direction of the moon, although that particular shot doesn't have the moon in it, but it's zoomed in so that you can see the landmarks on the ground underneath the moon, which I pointed out in the video. And this is one of the buildings that I've picked out to be immediately recognizable. That's that building there, so that it would be easier to pinpoint this line of sight. And that's that building I've pointed out there. There's the moon. And so maybe some of you people, even the flatties, could do some calculations on this and work out the direction that the moon is. and I'm not sure how to work out the elevation there, but yeah, unfortunately I couldn't get a picture of it when it was closer to the horizon. Never mind. So we've got the time of day and everything, and that's it.